Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Today I'm just at Pink Kimberley Diamonds in Sydney, Australia, and I'm going to show you how this beautiful yellow diamond looks inside the GemLightbox. So first we're going to press record. So this is a square radiant cut. It's a fancy intense yellow VVS1 0.48 carat stone. So even though it's only 0.48 carats, we do get a 10 times zoom on the GemLightbox Macro, so we can see all the beautiful details on there. We can also do 45 and 90 degree videos where the stone moves from side to side. When the stone is moving, we're seeing all those beautiful different yellow colors coming through. It's absolutely amazing. We normally photograph the stone on a grey or black background just to get the added contrast inside the stone. And this is a quick 45 for anyone who just wants to do a quick back and forth of the stone. Lastly, we're going to follow up with a photograph of the stone. So this is how it looks with the 10 times zoom. We're getting really good details on that photo. So I'm going to quickly take the stone out just to show you how it looks. So that was a 360 degree video we just did. We're getting really good color compared to the real stone, and we're getting really good details, really sharp details, even though it's only a 0.4 carat stone. Thank you for your interest in the GemLightbox Macro. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.